rawinstrumentals.com.
Yeah, B. Jones. And you know that it's song. I'm a rapper, I ain't gon' sing on this song. Shit, I might though, you never know. You can bet that, never gotta sweat that. Everybody know B. Jones is a fresh cat. If your pussy wetter than a fucking, oh, you already know. I always crack a smile whenever I think about you. The perfect balance for me. Where would I be without you? Believe in our love wholeheartedly, never doubtful. Our bond that we have and share leaves people baffled. Had my mind made up the first day that I noticed you. Had to stay consistent on my mission when approaching you. Had a genuine interest, wasn't thinking about stroking you. Wanted to get to know you well and eventually get close to you. It's true we have our arguments, but that's what we're supposed to do. Fight and have our makeup sex and then we just get closer, boo. Always in a playful mood, you get mad when I joke on you. We'll always have each other, doesn't matter what we're going through. Running marathons to get to you, I had to chase you. Feel like it was worth it because I never replaced you. I swear I hate our fights, but I love when we make up. Authentic care and natural beauty, no need for makeup. On them rainy days, I got my sunshine when I wake up. Getting my cake up so we can go where the money takes us. Romantic trips to Paris or catch sun rays in Jamaica. I feel like I'm vacationing every time we lay up. Had to change my ways, retired from being a player. The love we share is real because what I feel is major. After a long day, I just wanna lay and hold you. Say I love you all the time and do my best to show you. Be your shoulder to cry on, I'm here to console you. Not the type to control you or act like I own you. As long as we're together, I'ma do what I'm supposed to. Hit my line whenever I hop in the whip and roll through. I'm hooked off of your love, I can't get you out my system. Not hospitalized, but I'm in critical condition. When we're not together, I'm just constantly wishing that we could be together. You're the only girl I'm missing. Warm embraces and soft tender kisses. I sit and fantasize about it when I'm reminiscing. See us together forever with my vivid vision. Love kissing on you, girl, your body's so delicious. I got a freaky side to me, I know that you're with it. Slide my head between your legs and just get the licking. Can tell by how you're moaning that you really like the feeling. Once I got it wet and dripping, then it's time to get the business. Pull it out and get the stick and beat the pussy, leave it afflicted. Make sure that I wrap it up. Oh yes, I'm gifted, but it ain't Christmas. Have you feel it in your stomach so you know how far I'm digging while I'm in it. Tell me how you wanna get it, I will listen. Do you like it fast or slow or want a new position? And you know I ain't gonna stop until you say you finished. And you know I like to hit it from the back and split it. B. Jones is that nigga, I'm about my business. God is my witness, I gotta get it in. Why don't you go ahead and call your homegirl, bring a friend. We can do it to it, you know I'm making music. I'm just in the cut grooving, you know how I do it. I'm just be coolin', like a block of ice. You know I gotta hit it right, yeah it's tight. It's dripping wet, I gotta smash. Beat you from the back and smack you on the ass.